First of all, sorry for the mic. I plan on getting a better one eventually, hopefully soon. So for a game I've been thinking about, I need destructible terrain, and I've tried a couple things, and they were difficult and kind of I was having trouble. So I came up with my own method, which I implemented here in Python and use Pygame for displaying it, just to kind of test it out. So you can kind of see here, this would be, the blue is representing the collidable surface. And I can, for example, cut out pieces. It's kind of hidden there because I have holes turned off at the moment. Now, it purposely looks jagged, just because of the way it works. It simplifies things, and I don't need it to be super smooth or anything. I don't think for what I have planned anyway. Yeah, the reason it looks like that is because it's based off of a grid of cells, basically. It's and it just takes all the cells, looks at the vertices and at the corners, and then draws a loop around them. And it can draw holes. It just has there are a couple of weird corner cases where it doesn't work quite as intended. Like for example, there it breaks off and can cause problems elsewhere. Like if you have loops inside of loops, it causes problems unless you don't have that issue. That's fine. But I actually don't need holes for what I'm planning to use this for, so I'm probably not going to worry about that too much for now. It's actually kind of reminded me of Terraria after I'd made it, just because they kind of do a grid as well. Though they don't do things like this so much, I guess. I don't know. It's been a while. Yeah, that's about it. It's pretty simple, which is part of the reason why I decided to do this myself. Is I wanted something relatively simple. I mean, there's only a few hundred lines of Python code to generate the loop and everything. I made this with Box2D in mind, since Box2D is chain shapes. This basically spits out a list of vertices that you can directly connect to create a chain shape in Box2D. And probably other physics engines as well, though I'm not familiar with many others. I guess. Yeah. Thanks for watching.